Welcome to WebStylePress. How to run GitHub code online. Do you want to test the code before you download from GitHub and save your time? Here is how to run GitHub code in browser. This is a GitHub repository. There are two ways. You can open this repo in editor online. Number one, change the URL from github.com to github.dev. So instead of .com, I'm going to use .dev. Enter. And here is the project opened in code editor online. There is another way to do the same. From repository page, press period button from your keyboard. Online editor will open containing all project files. Now from left side, you can browse project files, open code in editor and use the project and its files like you do in your local code editor. If it's your own repository and you are logged in to GitHub, you can make changes to the file and save it from here. You can also right click and generate a shareable link to this repo. Generated link will open this repository in code editor just like this. So this is how you can use GitHub repos online using a browser-based code editor. This technique is not new though, but I got related questions, so I thought I should share this. Here you see the code only, but you can also view the output from code. I'll share that technique as well. Link will be in video description. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.